Hello friends! This tutorial shows a free way to extract pages from PDFs using the web browser Google Chrome. Note that these steps are similar in Microsoft Edge and Safari. First, we'll open the PDF in Chrome. Then we'll extract specific pages and save them as a new PDF. Lastly, we'll review a few notes for Microsoft Edge and Safari users. Before we start, it's important to note that this method does not permanently delete pages from the original PDF. Instead, it creates a new PDF containing only the specific pages that you choose while preserving the original document. To begin, locate the PDF on your computer. Then, right-click the file on a PC or Control-click the file on a Mac. Then select Open With from the shortcut menu, followed by Google Chrome from the submenu. If Chrome doesn't appear in the submenu, but it is installed on your computer, you can select Choose Another App to select it from the larger menu. Afterward, the PDF should open in a new browser tab. Now we're going to extract specific pages from the PDF. To begin, select the print icon in Chrome's PDF toolbar. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+P on a PC or Command+P on a Mac. When the print dialog box appears, open the Destination menu and select Save as PDF. Next, select Custom in the Pages menu. Then enter the page numbers you want to extract. Use a hyphen for page ranges such as 2 through 5. Or use commas to separate individual pages such as 1, 3, and 7. You can also combine page ranges with individual pages such as 2 through 5, 8, and 10. When you're finished, select the Save button. When the Save As dialog box appears, choose a location on your computer to save the new PDF. Next, enter a new file name in the File Name text box. And then select the Save button. The selected pages should now be saved as a new PDF. Just to make sure, you can navigate to the location where you saved it, right-click or Control-click the file, select Open With from the shortcut menu, and then select Google Chrome or another option such as Acrobat Reader. The new PDF should open and contain only the pages you selected, which in my case is pages 2 through 5. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you'll notice that this process is nearly identical to Chrome. The print icon, Save as PDF option, and Custom Pages field work the same way. If you're using Safari on a Mac, open the PDF and then select the File menu, followed by Print. Enter a page range in the From and To text boxes, or select Selection to choose pages from the thumbnails on the left-hand pane. Next, select the PDF menu arrow in the bottom left corner, and then select Save as PDF from the drop-down menu. All the steps we just performed are listed on my website at erinwritewriting.com. If you found today's video helpful, please leave me a comment with any other writing-related software topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials, and of course I'd appreciate a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.